Absolutely. I think first of all, I'm really happy and delighted to be a part of this summit. And one thing which stood out for me was the quality of conversations which we had. Of course, it was not about showcasing technology for the sake of it, but having the discussion around the technology, when it can work, when it will fail, especially in the shop floor environment. So this stood out for me and especially the engaged audience. So one key message, or maybe the key takeaways I would urge the audience to take away from this summit would be: artificial intelligence and digital capabilities can create value only when it is anchored around strong manufacturing fundamentals. What I mean here is operation excellence, process discipline, and ownership should come first. So operation excellence becomes the fundamentals and AI is the accelerator. So this is how we need to treat and understand our business case. So if I have to talk about the pressing challenges or the opportunities, of course, the ability of each one of us to move from experimentation to execution, that's the real challenge. So India, we have a strong engineering talent. Of course, we have the enthusiasm for digital. The real differentiator is leaders who can convert the pilots into a scalable shop floor driven solution embedded with ownership to deliver the consistent business result is the most important opportunities. Yeah, of course, it is really important for each and every one of us to invest time in this type of summit. It gives a clear signal that manufacturing transformation is leadership responsibility and not a technology initiative, which means we need to have a proper message and we need to keep continuing our deep learning towards the improvement and also share our practical experiences. Most importantly, how collectively we raise the maturity of the entire ecosystem matters the most. Yes, definitely. I would definitely recommend all my peers to attend this summit because this type of platform helps us to understand or bridge the gap between the technology promises versus the shop floor reality. And given chance, of course, I would like to come back and continue these conversations while the manufacturing and technology evolve. Thank you.